Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the logo list section. The logo list section allows you to display a collection of featured logos on your store, giving your website a professional and polished look. It's perfect for showcasing partnerships, brand affiliations, or certifications, helping you build trust and credibility with your audience. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the logo list section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the logo list section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Free Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the logo list section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Logo List, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the logo list section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the logo list section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Enable Gray Logos applies a muted, desaturated effect to all logos, creating a clean and uniform visual style that helps maintain consistency across different brand assets while keeping the overall design subtle and professional. Enable Card View wraps each logo inside a styled card container, adding spacing, background, and structure around each logo. This enhances visual separation and gives the section a more modern, organized layout. Enable Auto Scroll to automatically move logos across the screen, creating a smooth and continuous sliding effect that keeps the section dynamic and engaging without requiring user interaction. Enable Mask Effect adds a stylish overlay treatment to the logos, creating smooth visual masking effects that improve depth and make the logo section feel more dynamic and visually engaging. Scroll direction controls the movement flow of the logos. You can choose left for a standard marquee-style movement, right to reverse the direction and create a different visual rhythm based on your layout preference. Scroll speed lets you control how fast the logos move across the screen. You can set it anywhere between 1 to 30 seconds, where lower values create faster movement and higher values produce a slower, more relaxed scrolling effect. Pause on Hover temporarily stops the scrolling animation when a user places their cursor over the section, allowing them to clearly view and focus on any specific logo without distraction. Under Enable Slider, you can choose where the logo slider will be displayed. Both devices' sliders will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable Loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show Dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. For styling, select arrow color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use arrow position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Control how many logos appear on different devices to ensure the section looks balanced and visually optimized across all screen sizes. On desktop, you can display between 2 to 6 logos, allowing you to either keep a minimal, focused layout or showcase a larger set of brands depending on your design needs and available space. On mobile, you can show between 1 to 3 logos, ensuring the content remains clean, readable, and properly scaled for smaller screens without feeling crowded or overwhelming. Match the logo list section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. To add logos, start by inserting a logo block, which acts as the individual container for each brand or partner logo within the section. Next, upload your logo image, ensuring it is high quality and properly optimized so it appears clear and professional across all devices. Then, enter a logo title and text to provide context or description for the logo, helping users understand the brand, certification, or partnership being displayed. You can also add a link to make the logo clickable, directing users to a relevant page such as a partner website, certification page, or product-related landing page. Finally, enable Open in New tab if you want the link to open externally without navigating users away from your store, ensuring a smooth browsing experience while still providing additional information access. And that's it. Your logo list section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.